Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device is unlocked and supports the Smart SIM or eSIM format. This matters because locked phones can't accept foreign profiles. Once done, purchase a plan that matches your trip length and data needs, and keep your passport and payment method handy for identity checks. Now locate the activation QR or manual code from the provider. Scan or enter it immediately to reserve your profile while you still have reliable Wi-Fi, because some activations expire if delayed. Next, install the Smart SIM profile. Scan the QR or paste the activation code into your eSIM settings. On physical cards, insert the correct nano or adapter immediately. Then configure APN and roaming settings so data connects to the local network. This prevents stuck-on 2G or no data. Make your Smart SIM primary for data, but keep your home SIM active for SMS or banking if needed. This avoids authentication failures while still using local data rates. Finally, verify service by running a speed test and making a short call or SMS. This confirms both data and voice routing. If you see no service, toggle airplane mode, reboot, and manually select the local network. Make sure the APN matches the provider's instructions. If problems persist, gather your IMEI and activation code and contact support to reissue the profile. This step solves most provisioning errors, so do it before changing locations or assuming the plan failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.